But this is how it is on a cold, rainy day. So let's go check these guys out. He has a pretty nice guitar as well. Just chilling, heard them playing. I was like, yeah, fuck it. Looks like they're packing up. So I'm gonna start heading right over there. I was gonna head to the restrooms. Been a pretty chill day. I actually had I rolled up a blunt, but can't find my lighter. But I got my vape, so I've been hitting that. But yeah, guys, just gonna hit up the restroom and then probably take off. So my car's right over there. Gonna walk to the benches right over there and sparkle my blunt. Look, there's a dog. Cars are still going up that cliff right over there, which is crazy because it's raining. Some guy just drifted right on this spot right here too. But look, it does say tsunami evacuation that way. Let's go, guys. And to see how far I can go, I did lock my car, so my car should be fine. So apparently right here there used to be like a waterfall a long time ago. Used to be part of these because I was actually staring at these cliffs for a while and I saw like some like alien looking figures. I got it on my phone. I'll probably add it on here. But you never know. Like hieroglyphs or something like that. But it did say closed area, so you can't head over there. There's boats out there. There's that tall ship. I have so many pictures of it. I'll probably put it in there. You guys probably, if you guys saw my tall ship video, you guys will know the tall ship festival. I came down here to Baby Beach and I told you guys about it. It's basically low tide and all that, so little kids could come out and enjoy the beach. No problem. So there's Baby Beach. Look at these trees, like pine trees. Really cool. And right here you can see that cliff that overlooks the ocean. My plan is to come right here, smoke my blunt. Hopefully I could get an eye of my car from over here. I kind of doubt it. But this is far away from kids and all that. So let's go, fam. I'm gonna spark this up and then we'll see what we get into. I like seeing the cars go up and down that little cliff over there. You know what that cliff reminds me of? It reminds me of that like scary pop-up video from a long time ago. Like some girl or something would pop out when you watch the video of the car going up a cliff. So if you guys don't know, I'm in Southern California. I'm in Dana Point to be specific. I'm just chilling here, making a quick video for you guys, a little update how I've been and all that. So I'll show you guys that mural, that whale thing. Tales of the Majestic Migration. It says Dana Point serves as a navigational landmark during the annual round-trip migration of the gray whales from the Arctic seas to Baja. The sculpture was a community art project as part of the 2000 Festival of Whale Ocean Awareness Day. The sculpture celebrates and honors the annual migration of these majestic mammals along our beautiful scope line. Then it says the sculptor is Eric Danton. Look at that, you guys. What do you guys think? I like that they added like seashells right there. That one rock that serves as the eye is really cool. Yeah, that's it right there. Yeah, if you guys didn't know, Dana Point is like the world's capital of like whales. Just like I read to you guys, whales and dolphins and all that. So you see a bunch of that here. You also see sea otters. Like I mentioned, you see dolphins, see whales, see fishes, of course. So right here they have these boats. I mean, not these boats. These boards on the raft, on the rack. Can't talk right now, you guys. So they do have water fountains if you want to hydrate. They have like a little doggy one too. Either way, you can't have dogs here on the beach. It says it right there. I like all these dog murals that they got. Look, it's been raining a lot all day. Look at that right there. So this is how it is in Dana Point. It's been raining. There is buckets. I wonder why. Been seeing a lot of those around. Do not feed pigeon or wildlife. My bad. That rock looks sick. There's like a face on it. And then there's the tall ship. And here's a little emblem. You can see the whale in the background.
If by any chance you found this video interesting or entertaining, please support me by kindly subscribing to my channel. Thanks.